So previous class I have completed that one part of electrochemistry, that is if you are changing from that if given is electricity you have or electrical energy, like let's say battery you are given or an electricity is given, that using this electrical energy you convert this electrical energy to do chemical reactions, that is chemical energy or chemical reactions. So this one we have completed, and this this conversion of electrical energy to chemical energy we called it electrolysis cell. So that we have already discussed about of that this electrolytic cells, and details we have discussed in previous class. So today is second part, that is changing from chemical energy to electrical energy. I mean we have given any spontaneous chemical reactions, we have, that is we have the chemical energy and we convert this to generate electricity, or we convert into electrical energy. So from chemical reactions we converting into electrical energy or electricity. Means if we have any spontaneous chemical reactions, and due to these spontaneous reactions some energy will release, so that energy we convert into a electrical energy, or we use that energy which is generated from spontaneous reactions to electricity, to generate electricity. So this we will study in galvanic cells, or voltaic cell. Okay, so next topic is galvanic cell. Okay, that is galvanic cell. Galvanic cell or voltaic cell. So now the thing is that before we study this, let's some experiments which I had done earlier. So what actually the experiment, how actually this conversion of chemical energy to electric energy, how it come. So that is done by the scientist. Let's say one scientist, what he did, one research scholar, what he did that so what he did, like he in the solution of in copper solutions, so copper sulfate solutions, this solution is, we get generally this is blue color. Yes, so this blue color solutions, let's say he has copper sulfate solutions that is in blue color. This is CuSO4 solutions. So in these solutions what he did that he put one zinc rod. So zinc rod is generally silver color, so that I am taking a white color. Sorry. So this is, let's say, zinc rod. and zinc rod is generally white in color, or then that generally looks in silver color. So what happened when he put in copper solutions, when he put one zinc rods, and after some times what he found is that this copper sulfate solution it start fading, means that it start to become a colorless. So what he found after some times, what he found is that these solutions from blue to it's becoming, means this solution is fading. Let's say, and this zinc rod, this weight of the zinc rod is get reducing, means this is the zinc rod. Like that. So this zinc rod is get reducing, and this solution from blue solution to it becoming color is fading, means likely it becoming colorless. So this blue color is fading, blue color solutions get faded. And what he found that some precipitates he found here, some precipitates of red color or brown color. So he found that red or brown color precipitate. So now he want to research that why this has happened. So after researching he found that, but we know that SRP series we know that is लिखोभा स्कूटर का नाम आगे आलू मंजनकर पेरेस को निप after that here will come that is favorite, that is hydrogen. After that will come copper, Hg, silver, gold, platinum and fluorine. So this is the SRP series, and we know that in SRP series down will be reduction potential increases, and in SRP series above oxidation potential increases. So what we discussed that, let's say oxidation and reduction is happening here. So let's say for oxidation means we know that it means loss of electrons, and in this in between that here what are the metals are there, one is zinc is there, zinc metal is there, another is copper metal is there, here copper blue color, this is another, here copper metal is there. So also copper metal is there, and what we said in these solutions, what one zinc rod we have used and other is copper sulfate solution is used, means two metal rods is there, one is zinc rod and other is copper rods. And we know that in SRP series copper is lying here, and sorry this is calcium, Likova scooter car, okay, this is, so copper is here and zinc is here. So this is the series, this. So if you see that series, then for oxidation potential is increases, means oxidation potential is in the, you have to look in above. So oxidation potential, which metal is lies above, that will be high oxidation potential. So zinc and copper, zinc is lying above, so zinc will do the oxidations. So zinc loss electrons means that will lose electrons, so Zn2 plus 2 electrons it will lose. The same times if you do that reductions means gain of electrons, and since between copper and zinc, copper is lies down the group, copper lies. So if another lies means reduction potential which is down, that is reduction potential increases, means copper is happening reduction potential, means copper will gain electrons. So copper 2 plus 2 electrons will gain and convert into copper. So these are the reactions which happening, and this we calculate by using SRP series. Okay, so this SRP series, these things I already discussed. So now what happened, that these two reactions is happening here. So Zn2 plus, sorry, Zn is getting losing 2 electrons and converting Zn2 plus, and at the same time copper is gaining 2 electrons and converting copper. So we also know that copper is brown in color, copper is red or brown color. So this precipitation is coming here, it means that this copper is coming to here, it means this copper is getting precipitated, and this zinc rod is decreasing, it means this zinc rod is going into the solutions, because this zinc rod is converting to Zn2 plus, so this zinc rod is converting into solutions, that is Zn2 plus, and the solutions which was blue in color, that is getting faded, means this CuSO4, this CuSO4 solutions which is blue in color, that is getting faded, means what happened, that from this copper sulfate, from this solutions CuSO4 means this is actually Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus. So this from this solution, because of which this is blue color, this CuSO4 is getting 2 electrons, is gaining 2 electrons and converting into copper. So from this blue color to it converting into, from this copper 2 plus to it getting 2 electrons, it is getting to convert. So this is blue color and this is red color. So from this blue color it is changing into red. So what they found is that due to oxidations and reductions, so in one cells, in one electrolyte, what is happening, it happening the oxidation. So oxidations means whatever you have this zinc rods, this is the zinc rods, this zinc rod is getting into the solutions, means this zinc rod is coming into the blue solutions. At the same time, this blue solutions, that is present copper sulfate solutions, this copper sulfate solutions, it getting into the copper. So this blue color is getting faded, because from this solutions copper is getting vanishes, and this copper giving precipitates, and due to this precipitation we found this brown color or this red color. Okay, so here also what he noticed, that so many, this beaker is getting too much hot. So beaker is too hot. So beaker is also getting too hot. So what is the reason is this? So due to these reactions, this oxidation reactions, so many energy was releasing, because of that this beaker get hot-headed, this beaker get heat. So what he thought that what the scientists later discussed that can he use these heats which is generated due to these spontaneous reactions. This is spontaneous reactions because according to SRP series what is happening that is spontaneous. So due to this reaction this is happening by itself due to this spontaneous reactions lot of heat is generating. So scientists thought that can he use these heats to generate electricity. So what they thought that because we are using one beaker and we are doing everything, so redox reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions occurring simultaneously in a one beaker, that's why the heat is generating into the beakers. So can you, the scientists thought that can you use this heat to generate the electricity. So what they did to utilize the heat, what they did that they take the two beakers, they take the two beakers and what they did that, so previously what they using that they are doing uh, taking the solutions, that is copper sulfate solution different ions, and taking the rods that is different, that is zinc rods. So what they thought that can you take that same solutions and the same rods. So what they did is they took that uh, same rods and the same solutions. Let's say if I taking that zinc rod, then I will take the ZnSO4 solutions. So this solution, so zinc is silver in colors, so I am taking in white color. So this is, let's say, zinc rods, and that zinc solution is a colorless, so I am taking it as a white. So this is colorless, this is ZnSO4, this is colorless, and this is silver color. Okay, so what they take, that one side they take zinc rod and the same solutions, that is ZnSO4 solutions, and in another rods what they take that, let's say they take the copper. Okay, so generally galvanic cells we are studying that copper zinc, this is actually this is called that Daniel cells. Similarly also they have that Ag nickel Ag cells. So many cells are there, so all cells have same function. So we will discuss about of copper zinc cells, that is Daniel cells. So same concept is used for nickel Ag cells and other cells also. Okay, so here I am taking the zinc and that its solutions, and another cells, let's say I will take the copper sulfate solutions. Copper sulfate solutions is generally blue in color, that's blue in color, and I will take the copper, that is brown in color. Okay, so this is copper, that is brown, and this is CO solutions, that is blue in color. Okay, so using these two cells I want to generate electricity. So I put a one bulb so that I understand that electricity has produced. Okay, so this is, let's say this is a bulb. Let's say this is a bulb. After that what I do, that when I connect like this, then what happened, this bulb starts to glow, bulb starts to glow for 1 second. Okay, then so whenever I do the different the solutions I take in the different beakers, then and if I attach a bulb to these circuits, then this bulb starts to glow, but it glow for 1 second. So it means that the whatever we was thinking that has happened, that we can use the electricity, means whatever that electricity producing here, that is used, whatever the heat was producing, that is used as electricity. So actually what has happened is here is actually, see this is a zinc rods. So from SRP series, what you see that this gene is high oxidation potential, means oxidation is happen here. So here for gene, here is oxidation is happen. Oxidation means always loss of electrons. So gene is happening oxidation means Zn is converting into Zn2 plus 2 electrons, and this copper has high reductions potential. So here is happening reductions. Reductions means always gain of electrons, means copper 2 plus 2 electrons will gain and convert into copper. Okay, so this is happen. So this is gene crowd. So gene crowd is getting oxidized, means it is losing electrons. So from this gene crowd, it is losing 2 electrons and converting into Zn2 plus. It means here this is ZnSO4 means Zn2 plus 2 electrons. Let's say what is say that in solutions ZnSO4 is there, another here CuSO4 is there. So we know that this ZnSO4 is dissociate into Zn2 plus SO4 2 minus, and let's say if T equal to 0, it is 1 molar, then this is 0 0. Let's say T equal to T equilibrium, then this is completely dissociate, then this is 1 molar and this is 1 molar. Similarly, this CuSO4 dissociate into Cu2 plus SO4 2 minus. Let's say T equal to 0, this is 1 molar, then this is 0 0, and T equal to T equilibrium, let's say complete dissociate, then this is 1 molar, this is 1 molar. So in the solutions, what is there? This is whatever in the equilibrium that is present in the solutions. Okay, so this gene cross losing 2 electrons, means from this is gene product. So this is losing 2 electrons, so 2 electrons it will lose and convert into Zn2 plus. Zn2 plus already in the solutions also. So ultimately what happened, that one more gene plus is coming, means this is 0, let's say. So this is 1 molar, so X mole of this is due to addition. Molar of copper 2 plus is vanishes. So this will become 1 molar. It means what, that here the positive charge is decreasing, because this minus here the positive charge is increasing. It means these solutions getting overally getting positive charge, because this is increasing, and overally this charge is decreasing, means this is getting minus, means this charge is getting more, so this is getting negative charge overally. Okay, so whenever also we know that movement of electrons is opposite movement flow of electron is opposite to flow of current. So if the electron is flowing this side, then current will flow. This is electron is flowing this side, then current will flow this side. Let's say this current is flow this sides. It means whenever this two electrons flow these sides, then current will flow in the opposite sides. So when current will flow, this bulb will glow. Okay, this bulb will glow. But whenever this bulb glow and this electron reaches, then after that these charges become the negative charge, this charge become positive charge. Means after that, whenever these solutions become positively charged, and again that loss of electrons, because this reaction is spontaneous reactions. So this spontaneous reactions we are using. So even if this charge is get positively, then this gene cross itself not do oxidations, because this charge one side it is getting positive charge. So this solution is positive, and again this gene cross is coming, means positive repulsions will happen, and we are doing this is a spontaneous reactions. So this repulsions will not favor, because repulsion means they will far away, means this zinc 2 plus not, and this zinc not convert into zinc 2 plus, because in the solutions already positive charge is there. So positive charge repulsions will happen. So again it will not come to this zinc 2 plus not will come, means electron will not give. So copper 2 plus will not accept electron. If electron will not move here, then current will not go there. So bulb will not glow. So bulb will glow only for a second of a time. After that bulb again get off. Okay. So how to solve this? We want that bulb should glow constantly. So how can you solve these problems? So these problems, what the scientists found that this solution is getting positive charge and this solution is getting negative charge due to SO2 minus. So because copper 2 plus is going from this solution, here zinc 2 plus is coming into the solution. So this solution is getting positive charge and this solution is getting negative charge. So they want to neutralize the solution so that these reactions will happen spontaneous, and we can produce the electricity. So they thought that we should do something that will neutralize the solutions. So to overcome these problems, this problem, so problems, so let's say problems to glow bulb constantly. What are the problems? First problem is solutions getting solutions getting, or we can write solutions not able to stay in neutral. It means the one solution is getting positive charge and the solution is getting negative charge. So you want to make them neutral. So to overcome these problems, so since the solution is not getting neutral, so since this is getting positive charge and that is getting negative charge, it means that circuit is not able to complete. So we want to complete the circuit so that current can flow and bulb will glow. So to overcome these problems, what the scientists do is that they took such a salt which neutralize both the cells. It means this positive charge, they has to give something negative charge so that it will neutralize, and at the same times they has to give another things which actually get positive charge and neutralize these solutions. So for that they thought of that, they think any salts which give positive charge to the cathode, because cathode is negatively charged, and negative charge to anode, and that charges should be reach both the cells at a same time, means simultaneously positive charge and negative charge should go to the cell. It means it not be like that one charge positive charge go here, so negative charge go here, and positive charge not still now it not go here, so then the circuit will not close, means it is happening constantly, continuously. So here positive charge will come at the same time, negative charge also positive charge also go here at the same time, negative charge also should come to this solution at the same times. So they think that the salt or the ions should have the same transport number. Transport number means, let's say any cations, transport number cation means current carried by that positive charge, that cations, upon current carried by that cations upon the ions, or total ions. So let's say they take that AgCl, so any KCl. So this KCl has transport number of K plus and Cl minus, and for Cl minus and this means this and this has to be equal, means transport number of cations and transport number of anions should be equal. Transport number means the mobility, means that the same times it has to reach both of the solutions. So that type of salts we have to use. And the third condition is that salt should not react with ions present in the cells. I mean the salt should be inert. So like that salts they have to put here, and that will neutralize the both of the cells and allow the circuits to flow, allow the circuits to complete. So for that they took what the U-turn on cells, and in that they put that inert salt, let's say it's KCl, because this both the transport number of K and transport number of Cl is same, means it will reach at the same times whenever Cl minus here will reach, at the same times K plus will reach. And to flow this KCl smoothly they will talk agar gel, that is insoluble gel, that is the liquid type of gels which allow this KCl to flow smoothly. So after adding this U-turn tube type of that, this neutralize that solutions of both the cells, and at the same times it allows the circuits to complete. So after putting this salt, so this U-turn tube they called as salt bridge. So after putting this salt bridge, the circuit is complete and the bulb will glow constantly. So what is the functions of the salt bridge? So first we will talk about of that conditions of salt bridge. Condition of salt bridge. So conditions will be, it has to be enough, and second conditions, transport number of salt, the transport number of ions of the salt should be same, so that same times cations and anion reach both the solutions should be equal, and it has to be inert, means it should not react with ions of both the cells, and third, no precipitation should happen. Should happen. Okay. So these are the conditions and the functions. To talk about the functions of salt bridge. What are the functions of the bridge? It allow the circuits to complete, and important functions is it allow the solutions, so it make the solution, it make both the solutions neutral. This is the important functions of salt bridge. Okay, and also what it avoid liquid junctions potential, liquid junctions potential, means, let's say, whenever you have not put the salt bridge, then here the positive charge has created, like if I do one cells only, if I do that, let's say this is zinc and this is copper, and let's say this, and here I have that ZnSO4 solutions, and here if I have CuSO4 solutions, then what happened, that due to this Zn, and if I do a bulb here, then what happened, that due to this is happen oxidation, so here Zn2 plus is coming, so here positive charge is creating, here positive charge will create here. At the same times here Cu plus is going to here, so here negative charge will create, so negative charge. So whenever this positive and negative charge will be there, so in between them they have that potential difference is there, because here for the positive charge, here negative charge. So this potential difference reduce that whatever the you give the current. So this is called liquid junction potential. Liquid junction, because here liquid, due to that some junction has created, liquid junction potential. So due to this, that whatever that electric positive produced, that reduces due to this liquid junction potential. So this is avoided by salt bridge, because when you are doing salt bridge, we are taking the two in different beakers, and we are doing that, let's say this is bulb, and we are doing the salt bridge. So here no need of this liquid junction potential, because you take different beakers, at the same times we have take salt which neutralize the solutions. So today up to this, thank you.